All right, so today we are looking at the COSMOID high performance skates. Now these are skates with 3 big wheels, which makes it a lot more just easy to just go on some fun, fast rides if you're on a cool path and you just want to be able to do some cool turns and stuff like that. These are definitely the skates for you. First off, very easy to put on the way that they have them. You just lace them up, put your feet in there, and then you have these 2 little gears that you're gonna just slide into place, and you can make it nice and tight on both sides. These things are great too because if you hit big bumps, you don't feel them as much. And also, if you hit some like gravel or something like that, it'll just go right over it without any problems. I'm also using COSMOID's wrist guards. They have a helmet and they have elbow and knee pads. Now, I've never actually worn knee pads in my life, but I know that you should, but they've always been uncomfortable. These ones are actually very nice to wear. They just slip on under or over your pants or shirt and yeah, just give you that protection. So if you are looking to get back into rollerblading or just get rollerblades in general, they are a lot of fun. Those 3 wheels just make it effortless and you'll enjoy it. Plus you feel a lot more safe with the 3 wheels, and also get their safety gear too, just in case. Really good stuff. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.